Thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. The Hyundai Santa Fe will be upgraded quickly. The automaker conceals a lot of the outside modifications under hefty camouflage on all spied prototypes, yet it is currently clearly noticeable that the designing of the SUV will transform substantially for the new generation. If you are eager to find out what's hiding below the disguise, we have new makings that preview the next-gen Santa Fe with manufacturing garments. Hyundai wishes to provide every version its very own identity as part of a new strategy. Take for instance the Ioniq 5 and also Ioniq 6, which come from the same EV family members, however have one-of-a-kind layout languages. The brand new Santa Fe will certainly follow the very same approach with a boxy body and a more tough overall look instead of the current Santa Fe's somewhat premium-like styling. This making by Motor.es envisions the family hauler with headlights that seem inspired by the clusters of the Ioniq 5. We do not assume the side mirrors connected to the front doors truly match the total style, yet it's obviously prematurely to tell what their design will be. One touch we such as a great deal, nonetheless, is the plastic cladding on the sides, which continues into the muscle wheel arcs. It is unclear whether the new outside designing will be enhanced by large changes under the skin. Currently, the 2023 Santa Fe is offered in the USA with several engine alternatives, including crossbreed as well as plug-in hybrid powertrains. In Europe, there's additionally a 2.2-liter diesel. Opportunities are high that those mills will certainly roll over to the new generation with some adjustments to make the powertrains a lot more effective. Word on the street is the 2024 Santa Fe will debut in the summer of this year before taking place sale a couple of months later as a 2024 design. There's no main confirmation from Hyundai yet, and we hope to have a news soon. Thank you for watching.